last revision here. Thanks for benefits. Swiss Tech Lock. Miscellaneous, whatever I do, and if I know how to do it, share with you guys. TSA Lock, TSA 007 to be specific, the key. They have copies, only TSA. Reset button. That's your code button. To reset your code, which can only be reset when it's unlocked, by the way. Your midpoints. Your midpoints are going to be your dials when they're centered, but these are going to be your dials. Swiss Tech, solid Walmart, like I said. And then this model number is JY1, which I don't believe they sell anymore. But just in case you do have one, you're having trouble unlocking or locking your suitcase, or whatever you use it for. Quick recap, okay? My problem was trying to lock this thing. As you see, my code is 111. And you can see that because I can press the trigger down. Will it lock? No. That is because you have to, this embedment, bevelment needs to be within the boundary of the lock case in order for you to lock. Sometimes if you don't put enough pressure, it won't do it. So you need to make sure that you're within here. And when I say in here, I mean in there. So sometimes you might have to wiggle around. So boom, I'm in there now, right? And if you're that deep, you gotta press the safety trigger, find your spot, then release. After that, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is make sure that this is within the first boundary, and then boom. It's only that first time where you change the code, which is kind of annoying. But sometimes you have trouble unlocking it as well. My best advice, again, would be to just focus with starting to learn how to lock it. So remember, we just set our code. We just changed our code. So we're going to push in here. That's our first click. We're going to push this down at the same time. Boom. Good lock. And now, can we unlock? Yes. But there are some cases we're not going to be able to unlock. So again, I want to relock it. So in. Nope, not enough pressure. So in, boom. Just like that, okay? So now I want to unlock it after I've redialed the turns. After my flight. So let's go ahead and get back to our code. Back to our code. Right, awesome. So 111 again, right? It's not coming out. That is because this inlet needs to be in before we can press out. So in, press, no, boom, no, boom, no. Yes. So basically it's all coming from this pressure point here. This is the biggest problem in manufacturer default they have. So locking here, again, pressure, good lock. Unlocking, best way to go about it is reset the cycle, unlock, no, okay, coupling out, coupling in. Coupling's gonna have to be in, release. All right, because our things are moving. So in, just like that. So that's pretty much it. This little bastard, your anchor point, biggest enemy. Biggest enemy because it correlates with your reset button. I don't know if you guys can see it, but when I push the reset button, it pushes this, and this pushes that. So that's why it's so sensitive. So again, locking. Code is in, inlet's in. Safety, down, boom. That's not the case. You gotta go all the way down. Safety 2. Find your sweet spot. Pull. Unlock. Yes. Remember, coupling has to be out. Coupling has to be in to lock. Coupling has to be out to unlock. Basics. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Appreciate you guys. So inlet in. More pressure. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for benefit.